Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about how VDRs are transforming modern manufacturing process. Introduction to VDRs in manufacturing, the advent of VDRs in the manufacturing sector. Briefly define virtual data rooms and their traditional use in finance and M&A. Explain the shift towards digital transformation in manufacturing and the resulting data challenges. Introduce the concept of VDRs as a solution for secure data management in the manufacturing industry. VDRs for intellectual property protection. Safeguarding intellectual property with VDRs. Discuss the critical nature of protecting designs, patents, and trade secrets in manufacturing. Detail how VDRs offer robust encryption and access controls to protect sensitive information. Explain how VDRs facilitate secure sharing of intellectual property with stakeholders while maintaining control over the data. Streamlining supply chain collaboration, facilitating secure supply chain collaboration content, outline the complexity of supply chains in modern manufacturing, involving numerous global partners. Highlight how VDRs enable manufacturers to share production schedules, inventory levels, and logistic information securely with suppliers. Touch on the role of VDRs in real-time, transparent communication, which is essential for just-in-time manufacturing processes. Compliance and quality control. Ensuring compliance and quality control through VDRs. Discuss the importance of regulatory compliance in manufacturing such as ISO standards and safety regulations. Describe how VDRs help in organizing and storing audit trails, certification documents, and compliance reports in a centralized repository. Explain how VDRs assist in quality control by enabling secure access to quality manuals, procedures, and specifications for all parties involved. Mergers and acquisitions and joint ventures. VDRs and M&A and joint ventures. Explain the role of VDRs in due diligence processes during mergers, acquisition, and forming joint ventures in manufacturing. Discuss how VDRs ensure that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized parties and that the information leaks are prevented during negotiations. Detail the use of VDRs in post-merger integration to consolidate data from disparate systems. Research, development, and innovation. VDRs accelerating R&D and innovation. Describe how VDRs serve as secure platforms for sharing research data and testing results in the development of new products. Elaborate on the use of VDRs for collaboration on innovative projects between manufacturers, researchers, and third-party collaborators. Explain how VDRs can help track project progress, versions of design files, and manage feedback loops securely. That's all for today. I hope you found this on the topic. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.